The trial for Pierre Ny St-Amand, the Laval city bus driver who crashed into a daycare in February 2023, killing 2 children and injuring several others, will begin next week. Joining me now to discuss this is criminal defense lawyer Kwadwo Yeboah. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
The trial will be before a judge alone and will determine whether the 53-year-old was criminally responsible or not. What does that all mean?
Well, usually in a trial like this, it's in front of a jury. This time is a trial that's in front of a judge, and really it's just a formality. It's the time where we're going to hear all the evidence that they have against them. But like I said before, as the Crown attorney and the defense, they both understand that this individual will be a judge will pronounce that he's not criminally responsible.
What can we expect the judge to consider in all of this?
Well, since the beginning of this case, I've always said it was a case which was going to be a battle of experts. But at this time, the Crown's experts and the defense attorney's experts, I think, all came to the same conclusion. So there's no need to go tear our shirts in front of the judge or anything like that. So they're both going to come to the conclusion. The evidence will be presented to the judge, and the judge is the one who's going to statute, even though we know already that that's what's going to happen. But a judge have to pronounce that he's not criminally responsible.
How long do you think it might take for a judge to decide in this case, and what happens if he is not criminally responsible?
I mean, if he's not criminally responsible, it doesn't mean that he gets to walk away like that and walk with us in society. He'll probably be sent to Pinel. I don't know if there's other things that the Crown might be seeking, but they might be seeking to call him if he'd seek other things that they might ask, which can keep him behind bars for a long time. Not bars, well, at Philippe Pinel for a while.
And how long do you think this might all take?
The whole process will take the 3 days that is mentioned. It can be that the evidence was very voluminous, and they have to go through all the process. We might find out stuff that we never knew before, and the judge will have to go through it. And after listening to all the evidence, he will come to the conclusion.
Thank you so much for joining us, Maître Yeboah.
Thank you for having me.